The Pups' First Christmas. First of all, let's practice some words together before we start the book. S, a, n, t, a, Santa, 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 Santa. AY together makes the A sound, and then this word starts with pl, pl, a, play, 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 play. J, a, m, p, j, p, jump, jump, jump. W, a, n, t, went, 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 went. H, a, old, held, 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 held. CK makes the k sound when those two letters are together. B, a, k, back, 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 back. The, two, two, two. Okay, let's start our story now. This story is called The Pups' Christmas. Can you read that with me? The Pups' Christmas. The Pups' Christmas. The pups, pups, can, play, play. The pups can play. The pups can play. The big, pups, 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 can, run, run. The big pups can run. The big pups can run. The big pups can run. The pups, 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 pups. Can, sit, sit, on, Santa, 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 Santa. The pups can sit on Santa. The pups can sit on Santa. The pups, 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 will, jump, in the sled. The pups will jump in the sled. The pups will jump in the sled. The pups will jump in the sled. The big, pups, 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 will, run to the fun dogs, dogs, dogs. The big pups will run to the fun dogs. The big pups will run to the fun dogs. The dogs, dogs, dogs. Did, did, jump, 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 and, add, had, fun, fun. The dogs did jump and had fun. The dogs did jump and had fun. The dogs did jump and had fun. Santa, 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 got, mad, mad, at, the dogs, dogs. Santa got mad at the dogs. Santa got mad at the dogs. Santa got mad at the dogs. Santa, Santa, Santa held up the pug. 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 Santa, 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 and the pups, pups, went, back to the sled. Santa and the pups went back to the sled. Santa and the pups went back to the sled. Santa and the pups went back to the sled. Great job reading today, everyone. Your reading is really coming along. I hope that my guided readings are really helping you make good progress with your reading. Don't forget that you can watch this back as many times as you need to. You can pause the video anytime you need to. And as well, you can put it on mute to practice reading it all by yourself. But I hope that my guiding you along helps you see how you can sound out the words. And then it's very important to reread the sentence many times over so that we can practice reading with fluency. Reading with fluency means that we are reading at a faster pace. Just like when we talk, we don't talk like robots like this, right? We talk more quickly, and so we want to learn how to read more quickly. That is a very important pillar in our reading. We also want to make sure that we understand all of the words that we are reading. If there are words that we do not understand, then we need to make sure we ask somebody who can help us to build up our reading comprehension skills too. I hope you enjoyed the really cute pictures in this video. These are some of my favorite types of dogs, the Doberman, the Malinois, and the Pug. I thought they were really cute characters to bring us into the holiday season. And I hope you have an amazing day. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel at Teaching with Deb, because I will continue to add more stories that we can practice reading together, as well as other activities to build your literacy and numeracy skills for sure. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for reading with me, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.